When you find that you're in a hurry and you need an escape, when all you have is a pile of words.
누씨는 빵 먹으면 안 돼. 빵 먹고 싶어?
When you find that you're in a hurry and you need an escape, when all you have is a pile of worries, I'll help you carry the weight. Just stay lost here with me. We don't have to say anything. Just let ourselves get lost in between.